Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe Passrow and press the bell icon. We are doing birthday series. People who born on this day, kindly comment yes, I born on this day, or this is my birthday. So it will help people to find each other. We also wishes you happy birthday. I am be with my computer. Today we are going to see secret of facts about people born on this March
27th. Analytic mind and the breadth of views are characteristic to these people. The circle of their interests is very wide, and they can succeed in any field, be it business, art, or social activities. They are always thinking out and planning all their actions very well, which gives them the ability to work for a long time and provides them with a successful advancement in life. People of this month of birthday 27 strive to obtain as much knowledge as possible, and they keep learning all their lifetime. Most of them have a great strength of will and can focus their energy on achieving a certain goals. They are quite ambitious and lucky, but may miss opportunities because of too much speculations and a lack of confidence. They have a high principles of goodness and justice, but sometimes they lack the determination to do as they believe is right. People of this month of birthday are always following the requirements of purposefulness, so they act differently in different circumstances. They always know when to show determination and when diplomacy. They are very sensitive, but sometimes refrain from the expression of their feelings, which may have sometimes a depressing effect on their psyche, resulting in a sharp change of moods. There is a certain element of self-sacrifice in their lives. For people of this month of birthday 27, it is necessary to use the spiritual and philosophical approach to all situations, to do everything possible for the others, both financially and spiritually. The more positive things they do for others, the more positive events will come back to them. Emotional characteristics. These people are sensitive and have a good imagination and a strong mind. They love to travel, and because of this, they always collect a lot of knowledge. Their penchant for romance is blended very well with their love for traveling. These people are stimulated by the power of their minds more than by their physical needs. On one hand, people of this month of birthday 27 like to communicate with those who can give them moral support, since sometimes they do not fully believe in themselves, but on the other hand, they also like soft and pliable people. They also are attracted by people with an element of unpredictability. If a person is too simple, most likely he will not be interesting for them. They are attracted to the opposite sex often out of habit, rather than out of desire. Even if the attraction is not very strong, they will keep hunting for the sake of hunt itself. This applies more to men. Sexually they are strong, and if they want something, it is difficult for them to wait. Though there is not much people that can resist their charms and leave them waiting. People of this month of birthday 27 can get along with almost everyone because they are smart, interesting, and possess a strong character. They attract people, but they must not dominate, it repels. This month of birthday 27 is a combination of romance and inner strength. This month of birthdays 2 and 7 are similar to each other, although the latter is stronger and more independent. These people are original and unique. They are quite materialistic by nature. Their ability to act in the most original ways is making them obviously different from the others. Women with this month of birthday are usually looking for certainty in life, but in the same time they tend to have smart partners for spiritual communion. This is a very good this month of birthday if its carrier will learn how to tame a tendency to overly dominate. Dictatorial properties do not make any person better. People of this month of birthday 27 do not have any need to show off. They are already noticeable and popular enough to win many hearts. In case they can manage a good balance between their originality, strength and their romantic nature, people of this month of birthday 27 are able to lead a very interesting and successful lives. You are a diplomatically talented person, as you can motivate others, assure them, and make people trust you. You can realize yourself in areas of politics, law, art, and religion. You see people through and understand them, and these qualities are vital for you. You have a universal mind, you can be taught anything, and you will be successful in it. So it is up to you which direction of knowledge to choose. However, you should choose one sphere of interest, and the second one should always be arts, in order to broaden your outlook and reveal your potential fully. People born on the 27th day of the month are often great artists. You need to try yourself in various areas before choosing one to specialize in. You are a humanist, you know and understand feelings of people, their needs and struggles. You are emphatic, so you can help directly the needs of community and people there, and what is more important, you do care for them. The greatest pleasure that you can get through life will be a result of your actions to improve the living of others. From the other side, you can be deeply disappointed and even broken down if your efforts will be vain. Sometimes you tend to be dramatic, but most of the time you are quite composed. You are able to make good money if you work in the service-oriented areas. The bigger is your work for people, the bigger is your resulting income. Your shortcomings, you will have problems with ability to forgive others or to accept another point of view. You must cut off all the negative connections and people who make you feel bad from your life without delay. If you want to do something bad in return, the negativity in your life may double, so you better don't.